Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's session, we will discuss about the various career opportunities that are available after LLB. So there are plenty of career opportunities that are available after completing an LLB degree as law जो है एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा oldest और most reputed academic field consider की जाती है as जो मतलब law है उसको ऐसे consider किया जाता है कि ये highly regarded qualification है and क्या importance है law degree की. As one of the prestigious academic program, a law degree not only provides graduates with an in-depth understanding of the legal system but also equips them with research, critical thinking and communication skills. An LLB after 12th is becoming a sought-after academic program for individuals seeking a career in the field of law. You may have come across many doubts after LLB, such as why law courses, what after LLB courses, after BA LLB, what can I do? हम क्या कर सकते हैं और क्या जो jobs हैं वो available है after LLB and क्या उनकी salary होगी? What are the corporate and government jobs after LLB and what to do after LLB? So to clear all your doubts, here is an informative session. The top career opportunities after law. The first is advocate. So if a person has an interest in litigation, then he/she can choose advocacy. It is one of the best career options that is available after LLB. The students choosing this path can practice this in the courts, and the aspirants have to qualify the exam conducted by All India Bar Council first in order to qualify for the practice. ऑल इंडिया बार काउंसिल का जो एग्ज़ाम है बेसिकली ईयरली कंडक्ट होता है 2 times एंड टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल ओवर द इंडिया वी हैव टू गिव दिस एग्ज़ाम एंड हमें जो है अपने पर्टिकुलर स्टेट में जो है कंसिडर एनरोल कराना होता है फॉर एडवोकेसी टू practice as an advocate. Second is a corporate counselor. कॉर्पोरेट काउंसलर बेसिकली वर्क करते हैं एज अ लीगल एसोसिएट इन लॉ फर्म और एज अ इन हाउस काउंसल इन एनी कंपनी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. जो वर्क जो होता है लीगल एसोसिएट्स का वो इंक्लूड होता है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ड्राफ्टिंग, डीलिंग विद द क्लाइंट्स, एडवाइज करना क्लाइंट्स को और लीडिंग द लीगल डिपार्टमेंट. Thirdly, legal advisor. For a rewarding career after LLB, you can become a legal advisor or join various legal firms. As there are many MNCs and they are hiring various legal advisor for their companies, private companies, corporate firms or banks. You can provide advice on various legal matters. They also help people to make the correct decision in a given situation. Most large corporations and government organizations hire legal advisors. Fourth is teaching. If the person has interest in teaching, then he/she can opt for the teaching after LLB. Students with impressive academic ability and with the skill of explaining and narrating different topics to a group of people are good fits to become a lecturer in one of the best recognized universities or law colleges in the country. If they choose to do LLM, they could go on the complete research in the respective field of study and earn a PhD. This way, you can also become a professor in government universities and private universities too. So basically, LLM के बाद जो है नेट का एग्जाम्स भी कंडक्ट कराते हैं टू क्वालिफाई फॉर द टीचिंग, ताकि मतलब यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड ऑल में हमारा जो है टीचिंग में हो जाए. The fifth is judiciary. This is a great option for LLB graduates to choose if they want to play a major part in administrative affairs. They may work as a judge or magistrate for the country. However, student must devote a significant amount of time to prepare for competitive examination. एंड इसकी जो है क्वालिफिकेशंस रहती हैं कि मतलब बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स रहते हैं कि मस्ट होल्ड एन LLB डिग्री फ्रॉम ए रिकग्नाइज यूनिवर्सिटी एंड मैक्सिमम एज ऑफ 35 टू बी एलिजिबल फॉर दीज पोस्ट. तो हर स्टेट का एक अपना एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया होता है फॉर द जुडिशरी एंड ईयरली हर साल जो है इसके जो है एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट होते हैं और हर स्टेट के अपने जो मैजिस्ट्रेट एंड सब जजेस पोस्ट आर फिल्ड बाय न्यू रिक्रूट्स. तो द पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन है जो वो कंडक्ट कराता है इनके जुडिशरी के एग्जाम. A magistrate leads all the criminal cases, whereas civil ones are decided by the sub-judge or munsif. These officials can be promoted to district judges or based on the seniority further proceed to the High Court or Supreme Court. जुडिशरी का एग्जाम जो है लोअर जुडिशरी एंड हायर जुडिशरी दोनों कंडक्ट होते हैं. लोअर जुडिशरी के लिए बेसिकली जो है अपना एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया होता है, दैट इज लो डिग्री रिक्वायर होती है LLB एंड इसके लिए हमें एक्सपीरियंस की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती. बट हायर जुडिशरी के लिए हमें एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड होता है, दैट इज 7 years. 7 years का जो है एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड होता है टू एलिजिबल फॉर द हायर जुडिशरी एग्जाम. एंड Sixth is public prosecutor. A public prosecutor is appointed by the central or the state government with the purpose of conducting a case in an area. इसके भी जो बेसिकली है एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल एपीओ दैट इज असिस्टेंट पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर. These exams are conducted by the government, and to qualify these exams, the professional is basically responsible for advocating the interest of the common public in the court of law. Seventh is admission and researcher. If you have a passion for teaching and research, pursuing a career in academia and can be a fulfilling choice after completing your law degree. By enrolling in LLM program and specializing in a specific area of law, you can become an expert in your field. This opens the door to pursuing a PhD and becoming a professor in a university or college. As a law professor, you can contribute to legal research, mentor aspiring lawyers, and shape the future of the legal profession. The salary of a law professor can vary depending on the institutions and the level of experience. So basically, after completing the LLB, we can also choose the option of researcher. हम मतलब basically research कर सकते हैं on various topics और as a academician work कर सकते हैं in various universities और college में. The eighth is legal advisor in government and private sector. Both the government and private sector require legal advisor to provide expert counsel on legal matters. In the government sector, legal advisor work in departments like the Ministry of Law and Justice, providing legal opinions and expertise to the government. In the private sector, companies across industries hire various legal advisors to ensure compliance with the laws and regulation for the drafting of contracts and handle various legal disputes. Legal advisors play a crucial role in protecting the interest of their clients and ensuring legal compliance. तो बेसिकली जो लीगल एडवाइजर्स हैं वो बोथ गवर्नमेंट एंड प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स में वर्क करते हैं एंड इनकी जो है वैकेंसीज टाइमली जो है कंडक्ट होती हैं. Ninth is legal writer and author. If you have a passion for writing and a strong understanding of legal concept, a career as a legal writer or author can be fulfilling. Legal writers play a crucial role in disseminating legal knowledge to the general public through print and electronic media. They simplify complex legal concepts, government regulations, and important judicial rulings, making them accessible to a wider audience. Legal writers can work for newspapers, magazine, news channels, and even as independent authors. This career option offers the opportunity to contribute to legal education and shape public opinion on legal matters. So, if you have an interest in legal writing, so then this can also be the best option for you. The 10th is company secretary. If you have a keen interest in corporate governance and compliance, becoming a company secretary is an excellent career option after LLB. A company secretary is responsible for ensuring that an organization adheres to the legal and regulatory requirements. After completing your LLB degree, you can enroll in the Institute of Company Secretaries of India certification program to become a qualified company secretary. This combination of an LLB and CS qualification is highly valued by employers in the corporate sector. The average salary of a company secretary in India is around 6 lakh 2,774 per annum. Additional career options. Apart from the aforementioned career option, there are several other paths you can explore after obtaining a law degree. These include working as a jurist, authoring law books, engaging in social work, or even pursuing a career in politics. The legal profession offers diverse career opportunities for those with a passion for law and desire to make a difference in society. सो बेसिकली बहुत सारी कैरियर ऑप्शंस जो हैं हमारे पास अवेलेबल हैं आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग एन LLB डिग्री. एंड RBI SBI ऑल्सो मतलब ये भी जो है RBI एंड SBI अपने एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट कराते हैं फॉर द लीगल ऑफिसर. द पर्सन कैन ऑल्सो give this exam. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the video. And follow our social media channels and connect with us on social media through Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube and WhatsApp community. Thank you.